Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today I am here to unbox the July 2022 Beauty Heroes box. I'm 5 to 6 days late into the month of posting this. I actually thought my Beauty Heroes subscription was just renewing, so I would get it right around July 1st, but it turns out that I had done like a gift subscription. I had been able to use some code for my last 6 months, and it was non-automatically renewing. So when I finally checked it towards the end of June, I realized that it was like the first day of July or something. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm not renewed. So I just got my box on July 5th. I did see a live video from Jeannie Jarno, the founder of Beauty Heroes, and she said something in it that made me think that I know what brand it is, because she said something like, it's a new brand we've never featured. And she said, like, when she said it, she said, it's a new lab brand. She dropped the word lab, and I think that it's Oio Lab. That's my guess. It was like a little stumble of words, and I'm like, oh, wait a minute. And she did give a hint that it's like a European brand, and I looked up this brand Oio Lab, and it is European. So this is my guess that I think it's Oio Lab. I've been able to avoid any hints to find out what it is, so I'm happy about that. Another European brand that I've been hoping to see is Nini Organics. So that would be cool too, but my guess is gonna go with Oio Lab. So let's see what we have in here. Here's the box. Could be totally wrong too, but I could be right. I'm right. Okay, so I think it says Oio. There we go. All right, yes, Oio Lab. Alrighty, we have 2 products in here, and I've never used anything from this brand, so that's cool. And it looks like we have Aquasphere and the Forest Retreat. So, funky packaging. Look, it's nice looking. I'm excited. I love opening these every month. Ooh. All right, let's check these out. Okay, so it looks like our hero product is Aquasphere. Let me see, that's this one. Oh, Ava's here. You know, you can see her whiskers. You know that when I start filming, Ava likes to be part of it. Okay, she's gonna come here, little one. Yes, here we go. We got a little cat butt in there, but now she's here to film with us. Say hi. Okay, she's excited. So let's see. Aquasphere Multi-Dimensional Hydrating Facial Serum. So we have Hydrating Facial Serum. 30 milliliters, $85. Looks like it is made in Poland. It says welcome home. I'm always walking around like a cat body here. All right, let's see. This is what it looks like. Calming Adaptogenic Facial Emulsion. Forest Retreat. Wait a minute. Oh, I opened the wrong box. Sorry. Okay, this is the actual correct one, Aquasphere. It says, there's so much more about you. All right, wait, the Hydrating Facial Serum. Now we have the right one. Okay, there we go. 30 milliliters, $85. All skin needs hydration to look its healthiest. This month's hero product delivers it in spades in a multi-dimensional facial serum that delivers multi-level hydration. High performance yet light as a feather, Aquasphere by Oio Lab is a complex and cushiony hydration serum that combines 10 dynamic hydrators, 5 forms of hyaluronic acid, and 5 bioidentical precursors to optimize its efficacy. This supercharged formula absorbs instantly to quench parched skin where dehydration begins, so skin can emerge radiant, refreshed, and soft. With botanical actives like tamarind seed polysaccharides and multiple algae extracts to help skin retain moisture, combined with its innovative multi-level distribution, Aquasphere has been clinically tested by cutting-edge equipment that objectively measures skin parameters to increase skin's hydration levels by almost 50% after only 1 week of use. Fast-acting but enduring, skin feels instantly plump, yet its full effect is realized over time. That is a pretty bold claim. 50% more hydration after 1 week of use. I mean, I could use it for 1 week and see if my skin feels 50% more hydrated. That's usually, you know, a lot of things say like 6 to 8 weeks or something, you know. Made for everyone, Aquasphere is a bare skin sensation and a total transformation for dry, depleted skin in need of a megawatt hydration booster. Ooh. All right, superpower ingredients are Chlorella extract, Maris Aqua, multi-level hyaluronic acid complex, certified damask rose petals essence. Wonder if it's gonna smell like roses then. And tamarind seed polysaccharides. I'm excited. All right. Let's give this a pump and check it out. Well, you know, you have to do a few pumps at the beginning. Ooh. All right, so that's, you can see the consistency, how much, you know, how thick or thin it is by how much it's dripping. Oh, it definitely smells like roses. It smells like roses. It's not, I'm not even like a huge like rose scented fan, but it seems pretty pleasant. And it's not super slippery. There's 2 different serums I'm currently using. In the daytime, I'm using the Ingredients serum, and that is aloe based, and it's super slippery, and it's not like my ideal consistency. And then at night, I'm using the, I'm trying to remember what the brand is. It's like the hemp liposome. I can't think of what the brand is, but I'll put it down here. And it's their like CBD face oil, face serum. And I like that one better, consistency wise at least. And this feels more like this one. It's not like super slippery feeling like the Ingredients one is. So anyways, yeah, I mean, not much to see there, right? But spread on nicely, absorbed well. And I'm gonna be curious to see if my skin is like super hydrated. Okay, so that's that. And this is, like I said, an $85 bottle of serum. That's the cost of it at least. All right, let's see what this Forest Retreat Calming Adaptogenic Facial Treatment is. Okay. 30 milliliters for $80. So they're each 30 milliliters and one is $5 more than the other. Okay. When the world becomes heavy, the Forest Retreat takes the weight off your skin, offering a restorative sensation for all skin types, but particularly powerful for stressed skin in need of relief. This high-tech adaptogenic emulsion fuses pure, revered ancient botanicals, traditional Chinese herbs, sustainably extracted with green technology, blends of reishi, maitake, and shiitake mushrooms, and a careful selection of potent plant extracts to support and de-stress skin. Wild indigo, extracted by a patented ultra-clean process, delivers a concentrated dose of chamazolines. I don't know if that's how you say it. I think it's azoline, so chamazoline. Deep soothing powers, releasing a natural neuropeptide that quells irritation on contact. Vitamin A rich moss tissue culture, sustainably harvested through biotechnology, helps skin adapt to changing conditions and hold on to hydration. The 3 traditional Chinese herbs, huang qi, bai zhu, and chai hu, combine to tonify and relieve the skin from oxidative stress. So far, I really don't know what this is for. Ashwagandha, the master adaptogen, joins cousins maitake, shiitake, and reishi mushrooms to further enable the skin's adaptive qualities. Suspended in an elegant emulsion of omega-rich flaxseed oil, glycerin, and nutrient-rich blackcurrant seed bud wax, the Forest Retreat is this season's loveliest and lightest layer. The superpower ingredients are ashwagandha root, astragalus, I always have trouble saying that one, flaxseed oil, reishi, maitake, and shiitake mushroom extract, moss extract, and wild indigo. Okay, so my question is this like your moisturizing step? Let's see. Morning and night, apply a small amount of emulsion to your face and neck. Massage gently upwards and outwards, starting from the center of the face until the emulsion is absorbed. Okay, so it seems like you have your serum and your moisturizer, your emulsion. All right, so let's see this. I'm gonna put this on my other hand so we can get a, hoping this one doesn't smell like rose. It said it had wild indigo. I don't know if I know what that smells like. Ooh, okay, there we go. Definitely a different consistency and a different look. And you can see it's not like, it's a little bit thicker. Not overly scented. So I guess just like a light, I think it's like a light moisturizer. It's like scented, but like super subtly that you can't even place it, I think. And that's how it moisturizes in, or absorbs in, I should say. Okay. So I initially heard about this brand, and I wasn't like super into it because it all seemed like lab created. Like there's a big emphasis, I think, on, I mean, it's called Oio Lab. I believe there's a big emphasis on everything like being done in the lab, which I don't know, for some reason didn't seem super appealing to me. I think I kind of like the idea of less lab created things, if that makes any sense. But I'm curious about this, and I always love to try new things. So we have the Serum and the Emulsion, and so that's what I'll try this month, July. I'll switch out maybe like my nighttime. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe my nighttime routine will switch out. So I'll do like my essence. I'll do this serum, and then I'll do this as my night emulsion, I guess, as my moisturizer. I think that's the plan. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see about this, see how I like it, and we'll chat about it at the end of the month. I am actually, most of the end of July, I'm going to be away actually. Another like busy month, but fun, and getting, going away down to Cape Cod at the end of the month with my mom and kids and stuff. So that should be a nice trip. So I will definitely still work on getting videos out in the month of July and doing a video at the end of the month to like tell you about how I liked using these products and stuff. But again, it's another busy month. So as you know, my video, when I publish videos, might be a little bit limited in some ways, but here I am, just a few days late with this update for July. So leave me some comments. Let me know if you've used anything from this brand, if you got this box, any curiosity. I always love to hear people's opinions on what they thought when they got this. I always like how they have these things, like different ways to play. So they have the Wakina Botanical Essence, which is the one I'm using now for nighttime. And then they have the Ingredients Body Oil. I had that, but I finished it months ago. And then they have these two products, and then the Blissoma, looks like that would be like your SPF. So I am using different SPF at this point, but I'll be able to use at least these three from their suggested thing. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you again soon, and leave me some comments below. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, found it helpful, and click the subscribe button if you'd like to be alerted for when the next video comes out. And I look forward to chatting with you below. Take care. Bye.